Beautiful glam girls, welcome back to another video. So this video is really fun and exciting. It is a quick, easy, kind of fun Valentine's Day lookbook. It's nothing too extravagant. I wanted to give you guys a simple kind of inspo lookbook, not a lookbook where you have to go and buy each of the pieces. I wanted to create a lookbook where it was like you could kind of pull similar looks from things you have in your closet. So I used the same shoes for all the looks. I used the same purse for a couple of the looks, and the satin duster can be used for a lot of the looks as well. I wanted to keep it simple and kind of something that you could throw together really easily, just for a really chill, cute, sexy Valentine's Day. Nothing over the top, kind of neutral, just something easy that everyone could aspire to. Because I don't know about you guys, but for me personally, I feel like a lot of lookbooks are very hard to attain. They're very kind of over the top, and they're not looks that I could easily pull from my own closet just from experience. So I wanted to make sure that my lookbook was attainable and something that you guys could throw together from your own closet, or with a quick trip to your local fast fashion store at the mall. You know, I really hope you guys enjoy this. It's just something fun and simple that I put together. I'm wearing one of the pieces right now. I wanted to do something different than the typical kind of red or pink Valentine's Day looks, but the colors and the prints and everything are still sexy and Valentine's Day-ish and romantic. So I hope you guys enjoy it. I also partnered with Poshmark for this video, and I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about Poshmark before we jump in, because probably all of these pieces, or most of these pieces that I show you in this video, will be available for you to shop through Poshmark, through my closet, which will be linked down below. So definitely check out Poshmark. Poshmark is a really easy to use social platform that allows you to buy and sell your own pieces and other people's pieces. You make your own closet. You can shop Michael Kors, Louis Vuitton, Nike, Adidas. There's so many brands on there for you to shop. People are selling everything you could think of, from new without tag items to new with tag items to gently worn items, and everything is really inexpensive. I know for me personally, my closet is like $20 and under. Most of the time it's $15 and under. I'm really grateful for Poshmark because I'm able to share with you guys a lot of the pieces that I either never wore, pieces that don't fit me, that I received that are completely new, and I can give them to you guys for a fraction of what they cost. I know that a lot of times, like things that I wear on Instagram, you guys want to know where to get it. So with Poshmark, I can give you those items at a way cheaper price than if you were to buy them brand new. So I just love Poshmark so much, and you can definitely download it for free, completely free, with the link down below in the description. It'll be the first link there, as well as my Poshmark closet, and I'll show you what my closet looks like right here. So it's a really great way to make some extra pocket money, clean out your closet. I know for me, I purge constantly because I get so many things constantly, and I just like to keep nice, fresh, clean closet. So I always have something new to wear and always have things that inspire me to make a new outfit. So definitely make your closet, leave your closet name in the comments so we can follow each other, get inspo from each other. I love Poshmark so much. There's so many great ways and opportunities to make money. They do different events. Amazing platform. I really love it. And like I said, if you're interested in the pieces in this video, go check out my Poshmark right now. I'm adding new things all the time, and don't forget to follow me on Snapchat and Instagram, because those two places is where I update you guys right before I'm about to do a Poshmark sale, and my Poshmark literally sells out within minutes. So if there's something you want, for example this leopard dress, if I post this, I'm telling you within 2 minutes it will be gone. So definitely follow me on Instagram and Snapchat to be updated about when I am going to post on Poshmark, so you can get these amazing items for yourself. So enough blabbering and chattering, let's get into the Valentine's Day lookbook. I'm so excited for you guys to see. I had so much fun filming this. I froze my ass off, and I hope you enjoy it. Okay, bye.
one more chance. Worry and honey, give it one more chance. More chance. More chance.